y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be all about trying out all the new products that I got in my makeup haul a couple of weeks ago. It's been a little bit. I didn't quite have time to get this filmed, but I'm getting it filmed now and getting it for you guys. So I'm gonna be using, I'm trying out so many new things. Some drugstore things. I got new concealer, new foundations. I got this new Milani Rose face oil that looked really interesting at the store. I've got the Milk translucent setting powder. So many new things here we're going to be trying out today to see how it sits on my skin. You know, just seeing what our thoughts are about it. I've heard some questionable things about this foundation, so we're gonna find out. So if you're excited about this video, please be sure to go ahead and like it for me so you can support my channel, and also subscribe down below would be awesome. Anyways, guys, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start off by saying how cute this packaging is on this Milani Rose oil. I saw this at the drugstore and I was like, I gotta try this out. So it says that the rose oil is an essentially fatty acid rich oil that has balancing, moisture retaining properties, rich in vitamin C and A, naturally brightens and evens complexion. So here's what the bottle looks like. I think it is really elegant looking for Milani. And it has the nice little push down buttony thing. So I'm just going to kind of use this as my primer today. I hope this is something that really sinks into the skin good. I hate oils that just like sit on top of your skin, you know? I hate that. Plus me being an oily skin person, like I don't need that just sitting there, you know? So we're gonna dive into the It Cosmetics CC Oil-Free Matte Poreless Full Coverage Anti-Aging SPF 40 foundation. I got the shade medium. Let's just so it comes out, it's a pretty thick texture. That's interesting. That kind of reminds me of the Milani foundation. That stuff is thick. So what's new with you guys? Anything new going on in your lives? Nothing new is really with me. I've just been working a lot, like a lot. And oh yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my fall vlog. That will be up before this video is up. Let me know what you think. Did you like the video? Do you want more vlogs? I feel like people are really digging the vlogs here on my channel. So the coverage of this foundation, I'm not hating. It's sitting really good on the skin. Like, and it blended out like a dream, seriously. So I do have two concealers. I've got the new Hello Fab Avocado Concealer and then the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer. So the Hello Fab one I got in the shade Light 3. This is the packaging on it. I don't know. I think I'm going to try out both of them. Just do one eye one color and the other eye another color, because I've been wanting to try out both of these. And I love the applicator on this one. So the concealers are a little bit of two different colors. The Too Faced one is a little bit lighter, but I'm just going to go ahead and go for it. See how it sets? This one is more of a yellow tone concealer, which I find so weird because in the packaging it doesn't even look like that. Like it looks lighter in the packaging. So I am going to try to do a wear test for you guys on this foundation and concealer because I will be going to work tonight and we can put it through the heat test. That's so funny. Put it through the heat test, Bridget, while you're working online. I love it whenever I crack myself up. It's like the best thing. If y'all have watched this far into the video, you're probably like, Bridget, just get it on your face. Alright, next up we're going to be trying out the Milk Makeup translucent powder, and I am going to be honest with you guys, I have already been using this. The problem with this this product is that, so it comes with a mesh sifter there, and I'm always used to like sifting the product out into like a lid or my little hoot owl jar thing. And so with this, I have to like try to sift it out onto the brush, and it's a little more work than what I'm used to. I feel like it's more work, that is, anyways. Alright, and then we're going to dive into the Marc Jacobs bronzer I got in the Tantastic, the coconut one. I've been wanting this bronzer. Can we just take a second and appreciate how beautiful that looks? Like, isn't that just beautiful? And the smell is amazing. Because y'all know me and my coconut obsession in makeup. It's real. I love the color of this bronzer. It's really nice. I don't contour, y'all know that. I just bronze my skin up. Just like the outer perimeters. So I did get these new Vivid Bright NYX gel liners, and I have been using them. I think I'm going to go in with the green one today. I've already used it, and just so that way you guys can kind of see how the product applies. So that's how it looks applied. I think I'm going to go in with the blue color now and finish up the look. Okay, so I got this Stories lipstick in my haul as well. Here's what it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. Alrighty guys, so this is the end of the video here. I really hope you enjoyed this style of get ready with me and trying out these wild products. I am going to let you guys know about these Vivid Brights gel liners. If you do not, like, I went ahead and took one of my eyeshadow brushes and I like stirred the product up. If you don't go ahead and like work the product, then you're gonna think it's dried out, like I was talking about in the beginning of the video. But whenever I went and stirred it up, like, it became this really nice moussey texture. It applied great. I will try to do a check-in for you guys. We'll give you a check-in on the foundation, the concealer, the powders, see how this eyeliner wears through the day. Yeah, so the lipstick's nice. I really like the shade. Hope you guys love this video. I will catch you in the check-in. Alrighty, y'all. We are back, and it's been like 10 hours later. It's midnight, and I put this on at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So, yeah, it's been a while. So, yeah, this foundation is holding up way better than I'd planned on. Like, the reviews I'd heard was that it wasn't like holding up and staying as matte as the product said it would, but it held up great for me. So here's a close-up for you guys. It has broken up around my nose, but that is a constant struggle with me because I have really oily skin. And the eyeliner held up pretty good. It did kind of transfer on my one lid a little bit, but that's kind of to be expected since it's so hot on the cooking on the line. But other than that, I'm impressed with the eyeliner. I'm impressed with the foundation. The concealers I think wore really well. They both had pretty good full coverage, and they neither one seemed to really crease very much for me, that is. I don't really ever have a problem with creasing because I usually just set it right away. So other than that, all the products I really did end up liking. The Milani face oil, I really did like that. Except for the matte Sephora Stories lipstick that I tried out. It is not matte. It's satin. Says it's matte on the label. Anyways, I do like this shade, but you know, that's okay. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video and head to bed. It's after midnight now, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.